Here in the video, we are going to talk about Elite Dangerous Error Code Yellow Error. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. The error comes when users try to load into the game, rename ships, or hand in missions through the mission board. In some cases, the game loads into a redeploy screen that doesn't continue and eventually throws the error. According to our research, this error indicates an issue with the client connecting to the transaction server. It may occur due to network problems, server outages, or game-related bugs. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the network. Once both are restarted, launch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if the game or your device firmware needs to be updated. If there is any update available, install it and check for the error again. If the error still persists, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, then it might be due to server maintenance or a temporary server outage. So wait for some time and try again. Meanwhile, visit the official Elite Dangerous Twitter handle and check if there are any announcements related to server issues or maintenance. At last, if the error persists for too long, then we suggest raising a support ticket to the game support. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.